All right now, so 2009 TSX Acura having some intermittent problems. Uh, the lights flashing. It's difficult to get in the video because it's intermittent, so I don't know when it's gonna happen. But if you guys are having any problems like where your lights are flashing, the dash lights, the gauges is going up and down, just crazy, right? The car stalls, but not in while you're driving it. It's been stalling like when I park. So I took it to the dealer and they told me it was a computer, right? So I'm like, okay, well, let me get into this. I'm not much of a mechanic, but let me see, man. I ain't never had to replace no computer in no car. And this is a nice car, this has been a good car to me. Anyways, so I get into it and I'm looking into what it could be. So I have discovered that it could be one of four things. It could be the battery terminal. It could be a wire. It could be a relay, or it could be the computer. So of course they're gonna go to the most expensive thing first, right? That's not in my benefit. So let's take a look. So my battery. Yeah, okay. I mean, it probably could be cleaner. It was like a wire, but if you look at the wiring harnesses and all the different wires, they was mentioning that if you had been in an accident or anything, and I haven't been in no accident, so now I'm gonna put a link on how to find the diagram for this wire, this fuse box. This is the main fuse box. There's three of them in this car. One here, one under the driver side, and one on the passenger side. So the main relay, and like I said, I'm gonna put a link so you can see the diagram and find your main relay. So check out the fuse box here. This is the one under the dash. And the one we're gonna change out is this third one in. All right. So I'm just using these regular old needle nose pliers, and then I got the part from Honda. It's an OEM part. So hopefully this do the trick. Thing is hot, boy. So I snapped it back in there real easy, and I put the door back on. Probably need to clean this thing up here. Hopefully this solves my problem. All right, so started the car up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delay before I submit this video so that I can drive the car and see if it solved the problems with the dash lights going on and off, the gauges going up and down, the car shutting off, all of the stuff that it was doing. All right, so probably gonna probably drive it for like a week and then I'll post the video. But I'll throw another part of the video in there at the end, stating that, you know, how much time actually passed from right now till you know, to really see if it solved the problem. All right.